Now, let's get to this. First one that came in, this is what we ordered. It's not what we got. So, yeah, this is not only the wrong microphone, it is, the star rating is 2.7, and the one that we ordered was what, 4.3?
Yeah, it was 32% 1 star.
We had to order it again, send the other one back, order it again. 2 days later, here it is. Don't know anything about the brand. It Maono. Oh, all right. First we have a business card. I know what to do with this. All right. It looks like it comes with a little tiny tripod. Oh, it kind of looks like a flux capacitor. I'm not. Let's see what this is called. This is a pop filter, guys. Feels like tights. I could have made this. A windscreen cap, all right? Here's the microphone. Look, here's a USB cable. See, if my husband were in here, he would help me know what all these things are. Silica gel.
That's called a tripod.
It's weird how it doesn't, like...
Two legs move, not all three.
Huh?
Is that what you're saying? Two legs move, not all three?
No, they move, but that just, it feels weird.
So here's what we found out.
It wasn't me being stupid.
Click, 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 click. No clicky, floppy, floppy, side to side. Basically, tripod's broken.
So it would go on top of the microphone like this, I guess, if we were outside in a windy situation.
Or if the ceiling fan was running. I mean, honestly, it's just extra sound deadening. It probably wouldn't hurt to leave it on. Oh,
Dang.
old school.
But, oh, so it goes...
I haven't seen a USB cable like that since...
China?
No, since like the 2000s.
Well,
it's like an old AV cable.
it looks like this, well, it is AV stuff. It looks like this cable goes and it fit, huh? We have this part, which
microphone mount ring.
So, but it doesn't look like it fits on anything.
Take the plug out and it should screw on the bottom. Just looking at it from here anyway.
So, like that. It's so easy, even I can do it.
With assistance.
But this one just goes on this, right? Or does it go on both of them?
It appears that it only goes on the tripod.
So if I were doing a tripod mount like this, it would go like... Yes, I'm this clumsy. Righty-tighty. Righty-tighty works! So then, lefty-loosey. Roller raggy.
In theory, we're probably not going to use it this way anyway.
Alright, there is this, which looks like a zip tie of sorts.
It's so unimportant that I don't even see it in this paper thing.
This I don't know what this is.
Basically, it holds the microphone, it attaches to the arm, and it uses rubber shock mounts so that its sound isolates, so it shouldn't pick up vibration. So the clamp thing opens up.
It doesn't feel like it opens up. I mean, it opens a little bit. Is there like, oh wait, did I do it like potato chip bag?
That's it.
See, it's not so easy I can do it. This isn't like the Instant Ace Plus blender.
Yeah, potato chip bag.
So like a potato chip bag, but then does it go in this way?
Well,
See, it didn't, I may not have the strength. I may not have the hand strength to.
here you go.
All right, I know what this is. This is a clamp that somehow attaches to a table. And this goes like this and it opens up. She's not as dumb as she looks, folks.
Wait, am I going to agree with you or argue with you? By the way, here you go.
This is very. How did you do that?
I squeezed it like a potato chip and stuck it in.
And last but not least, I think, the arm. And let me tell you, this is the arm that told us that the other box was not right because he knew that this arm wouldn't fit in that tiny box. So it looks like this, wait a minute, oh, it goes here.
Yep.
Not as dumb as she looks, as she feels. Because I feel like an idiot right now.
I'm going to sit over here and be supportive
Okay.
by not arguing with you.
I'm going to figure this out, y'all. Alright, so
It's an articulating arm, so it moves in different directions as needed.
But then you fix it how you need it and tighten it down. Well, that's not tightening.
I'm going to claim operator error.
Righty tighty, right?
Yeah, but remember, this is like,
Wait, but that's flopping. Here's.
it's made in China. It's not high quality.
It's flopping.
Plus, I haven't touched it yet.
He hasn't touched it.
Once I touch it, it'll all be fine.
I mean, look at that. It's too loose. I'm gonna have to let him give it the magic touch. Apparently it's not so easy that I can do it. But I do know this. I'm supposed to be able to just plug this in here and plug this into my laptop and it's supposed to just work.
Pretty much.
So why don't we go see if that happens once we get it set up
We might as well set it up in there.
and find it.
Okay,
All right, magic happened. He's plugging in the USB key.
I'm sticking it in.
He's putting it in. Let's see what happens.
Did it feel good?
Setting up device. We're setting up Realtek Audio USB. Let's click it.
You know you weren't supposed to click it yet.
USB is set up and ready to go.
The new file.
Okay.
Your recordings. Should be the most recent one.
All right.
Start recording and I'm doing a test and I go to this and I go, oh, I'm going to create a new project. Let's see.
Sounds pretty good. As good as you can sound with our setup, since we've got cheap
So this-
monitor speakers.
So
better.
I mean,
Yeah.
I may need to adjust where the microphone is.
Yeah, but that looks better. We're getting up at the high.
Sounds pretty dang good.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't need this.
I mean, we're hesitant to give reviews on things like and say, oh, we love it until we've used it for a while. But I'm
talking about this.
Yeah.
And
from out of the box, I'm gonna give it a good solid 1 thumb up.
YouTube video is plain.
I mean, the only reason it doesn't get a 2 thumb up out of the box is because the little thing is broken.
But
Well, I'm just gonna have to complain to the YouTube's people. I mean, the YouTube's. I'll have to complain to the Amazons. You sent me the wrong microphone, and then you sent me a microphone with a broken part. What up with that, yo? All right, let me tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a test real quick so that you can see what happens when I put the volume all the way down at the minimum and what it does when I put it all the way at the maximum. I'm going to use the same phrase all the way through. If you hear nothing, I'm probably saying something, you just can't hear it through the microphone. You probably can hear my clicks of my mouse when I'm moving things, and I don't know how to fix that because the microphone's picking that up when it's loud enough to hear me speak. So that is a slight problem, but most of the time when I'm speaking for the voiceovers, I don't click the mouse anyway, or I can cut it out somehow. All right, let's go to the -60, and my phrase will be like it or not. -45, like it or not. -40, like it or not. -35, like it or not. -30, like it or not. -25, like it or not. -20, like it or not. -15, like it or not. -10, like it or not. -5, like it or not. And then all the way at the top, like it or not. We've been using this microphone for a few months now, and overall, we like it. There are a few issues, but for the price, we would buy it again. Well, we're gonna see if we can get this going so that I can record an actual video for a few of my friends. And because I like you guys so much, after my friends see it, I'm gonna turn it to public if they don't laugh me out of house and home. All right? Well, bye. Ruh-roh, Raggy, we might have a problem. Ordered a microphone. A microphone came. We're not sure that this is the microphone we ordered. I'm gonna get right to it right now. But first, you might notice in this first clip that my hair is like down to here. And now my hair is up to here. That's because I got a haircut today. It's the first time I've gotten my hair cut since January 29th, so it's been almost 6 months. So had a good 3 inches cut off. All right. Well, I don't know what these things are, like at all.
Do I have to be in front of the camera?
No. You can be over here, like not on camera. Maono, I don't know.